Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer spreadsheets into AppSheet step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AppSheet website. Log into your AppSheet account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Start for Free button or the My Apps tab. Select the Create New App option. Choose the option to start with your data. Select Google Sheets or the appropriate spreadsheet service where your spreadsheet is saved. Authorize AppSheet to access your spreadsheet if prompted. Browse your files and select the spreadsheet you want to upload. Click on the Select button to import your spreadsheet. AppSheet will then analyze the spreadsheet structure and data. Review the generated app preview that appears on the screen. Make adjustments as necessary based on your app requirements. Use the editor on the right side to customize your app's appearance and functionality. Explore the Data tab to check the imported tables and their fields. Modify any data types as needed to ensure proper functionality within the app. Test your app using the Preview option to ensure everything works as expected. Once you are satisfied with the app, click the Save button in the top right corner. Finally, click Not Deployed and follow the prompts to deploy your app for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.